Cybersecurity makes the news literally all the time now, to the point it feels like a three-ring circus. Today, I want to talk about the 7 things that make me want to throw my laptop out the window. Hi, I'm John Barker, and on Titan Tech, we cut through the hype so you can make smarter cyber and business decisions. I'm a senior tech advisor and professor of cybersecurity. If you're tired of the same recycled talking points, buckle up because this rant's for you. Number one, framework fanboys. Why do some pros get giddy every time a new industry is forced under a compliance framework? The communication around cybersecurity has become so poor between cyber and tech professionals. Cyber is viewed as a low investment priority and only a cost center. So when business leaders in certain industries have ignored cyber for too long, a third party comes in and says, no, you have to comply with this standard now. Typically, this will occur when you're handling a lot of data from someone else. Think of like patient health records or government data. And all of the cyber jockeys don't have time to figure out how to communicate. And all of the cyber jockeys don't have to figure out how to communicate the business risk and just have to start slapping rules and tech and not worry about blowback. And all of the cyber jockeys don't have to figure out how to communicate the actual business risk and just get to start slapping on rules and tech and not worry about the blowback. Just go look at any social media, particularly LinkedIn, and see the joy when rules are advanced to force compliance. How many people do you know that like to be forced to do something? Then every Tom, Dick, and Harry and Jane that couldn't sell cybersecurity is now an expert and able to sell their services to an industry that has no choice in this matter or the expertise. Newsflash, more paperwork does not equal more protection. Compliance should be the floor, not the trophy case. Celebrate outcomes, not new acronyms. Number two, the it's not my job myth. Cyber responsibility is very much like fiscal responsibility or financial responsibility. Everyone touches money. Everyone touches data. If only the CFO cared about budgets, your company would be broke in a week. Same deal with security. Reception to boardroom, it's a team sport. Many businesses outsource bookkeeping, taxes, CPA functionality to third parties, and just as many hire a managed service provider or a tech company to handle the IT. The key difference is the business leaders will still take a strong interest in the finances, and the tech kind of gets a hand wave. But has your project manager been trained that client data shouldn't be printed and stored at their house? Or that their kids shouldn't be using company laptops to stream YouTube videos and then accidentally delete the files on them? Number three, certification soup on job post. Nothing screams we have no clue like listing CEH for a policy analyst role or CISSP for entry-level SOC techs. CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, SOC, Security Operations Center. Certifications are tools, not universal keys. If you don't know the difference, maybe you need the cert, just saying. Nothing screams we have no clue like listing CEH or Certified Ethical Hacker for a policy analyst role, or most common one, CISSP for entry-level SOC techs or Security Operations Center technicians. Certifications are tools, not universal keys. And if you don't know the difference between them, do you actually need to put the certs on there? Number four, I do cybersecurity. Do you code? Do you draft policy, hunt threats, configure firewalls? Saying I do cybersecurity is like saying I work in medicine. Hey, cool. But are you a brain surgeon or a dentist or a chiropractor? There are over 50 plus nice framework job categories. You got to go pick one. So just saying I work in cybersecurity to me doesn't mean anything. Be specific. What do you do? What do you want to do? What do you like to do? Number five, cyber in a glass tower. Some teams insist on being walled off from the IT department like they're guarding state secrets. Unless you're building a product that is security, integration beats isolation. Your patching crew and your GRC analysts need coffee together. Trust me on this. The more isolated you are, the more fragmented and less direction your company will have as a whole. Number 6, privacy does not equal security. Privacy keeps data out of places it shouldn't go. Security keeps bad actors out of your data. Sure, there's some overlap, but they're not the same thing, not even close. Stop using those words interchangeably before the lawyers and the hackers will eat you alive with this type of stuff. Basics, the basics, the basics. Number 7, every headline breach you read this year, 9 times out of 10, it's a missing patch, it's a weak password, there's no multi-factor authentication turned on, or is turned off temporarily because somebody got frustrated with it. We chase AI powered quantum blockchain defenses while forgetting to lock the front door. Do the fundamentals, and this has to be across the board. Everybody, no password sharing, locking your office at night. You do all of those things, but we sometimes think that there's some magic bullet that allows a hacker to get in, when most of the time we're not doing the basics and just leaving the door wide open for a threat actor to take advantage of it. Now, those are my 7, but I know you've got more. What's your pet peeves? Drop them as a rage comment below and let's commiserate together. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe if you're looking for some straight shooting tech insights. And until next time, keep your patches current and your coffee strong.